Bitcoin volatility. Bitcoin volatility is 7 times greater than gold and 8 times higher than S&P 500 stock index and 18 times higher than US dollar. So please remember, it's a volatile currency and should be considered like a penny stock. Yes, it is more like powerful currency, digital currency. It has many great features. It is a fundamentally strong currency, but it's too much volatile and therefore it needs to be considered like a penny stock. Bitcoin volatility history. In 2011, Bitcoin went from 30 cents to $32 before crashing to $2. So you see it rose, it increased 32 times and then decreased approximately 20-25 times. So this increase and decrease makes the Bitcoin currency extremely volatile. In 2012 and 13, Bitcoin again rose from $2 till $266 before crashing to $50. Then again in 2013-14, it rose again and reached an all-time high of $1,242. However, it again fell off the cliff to reach $225 in 2015. So, you need to remember that it's a volatile currency. However, in the long run, if you see from 2011 till 2015, it increased again and again and again because its fundamentals are really strong. It's not something of like a bad penny stock or currency. It is a fundamentally strong currency, so it keeps on coming back. However, it's extremely volatile because investors who are buying, if they sell it too fast, the price falls off. Because in demand and supply, you need the supply to be equal to demand. If the supply increases, the price drops. Same goes for Bitcoin. Then it again rose, and nowadays it's trading at $3,000. So please remember, it's a volatile currency. Don't expect it not to fall or double it from here. Thank you.